So that happens a lot. And, you have to remember from the owner's perspective, they don't call contractors out because they don't need them. They're integral to the operations of that facility. And most of the time they're being called out on an emergency basis or when something's broken. And so most contractors, they don't work at one facility, they work at multiple owners' facilities. And so just keeping track of the orientations that they have to take. I don't know if you've ever seen the guys with the hard hats with stickers all over them. Most of the time, those stickers represent a different facility that they're oriented for. And so when they come in and that, orientation is invalid based on hasn't been done within a year, that means they've got to go and get, either take it there and stop whatever they're doing, or worst case, which is where the councils come in. They've got to go to find a council if they're open and they have to get signed up for the training and then go take the training. So, the operator or the owner's facility, they're suffering downtime and, the lack of the contractor that they need to be there.